In control, give it to number 11 Castañeda, and a steal for the Columbus Day. Relagio underneath, wala, recover. Good, and a steal for our team, San Vicente. Number 11 Hallier, good. Steal for the Columbus Day. Sanchez, Relagio number 8, zigzag wing. Kikel, Ponio, back to number 11, Arcelius Lantes. Miss, recover now for the San Vicente. Manina, give it number 25. Manyalik, underneath, good, rebound. Here comes down for number 26, Sanchez. Zigzagly. Full fake, club, biscuit down. Manyalik to Sarmiento, pass to Castañeda. Bigay kay Manyalik, full fake, pull up. Short shot back reset, money down, wala pa din, recover na for the team. Columbus net, here comes number 8. Relagio bigay ni Arcilio. Number 11, zigzag. This, laki ng rebound, balik dito. Ponyo, wala, rebound number 11. That's the rebound of Relagio. And go to number 5, Sarmiento. Yes, rebound. Maninang nabitawan ng number for the team, Columbus net, Sanchez. May tangan ang ball, crossing to the mid-court, Sanchez, Discarte. Loses the ball, recover for the team, San Vicente. Here goes down on Maninang. Number 16, underneath. He's a blow, that was a foul. Possession, Castañeda, number 11 in control, shot back down to 12, 11, 10, shot back reset. Ayaw kunin yung bola dito ng Columbus Day, number 27. Shot back down to 10, 9, 8, reset, recover on, another possession, number 27. Give it to Castañeda, shot block down to 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, basket of number 27. 41-33, 6 minutes and 55. Here comes now Alvarado, pass to Sanchez. Back on the fly, basket on Arcelius. 43-33. Steal. Okay, ball out of bounds. On number 3, Dalai. Roque. Good, Maninang on the drive. Good. Zigzagling. Basket. Make a sound of a foul.